my channel. In today's video, as you can see on the title, we are going to be doing a try-on haul. I'm really excited to show you guys some items that I got from LilySilk.com. They were so kind enough to send me a few items to show you guys. I'm going to style them, and I'm also going to show you 3 different ways on how you can wear it. When I was browsing on their website, I wanted to make sure that I picked pieces that were classic, and also I did pick a scarf. And that scarf was really pretty. I love the print. It goes perfect with my new Teddy Blake handbag that I got. So that's the reason why I decided to get that scarf. And I'm also going to use it, as you're going to see on the video. I'm going to place it on my purse and also show you 2 other ways that you can wear a scarf. This is the first item that I chose from LilySilk. It is a really nice button-up shirt. And as you can see, it is all silk. I did get it in a size... First, I got a size medium, and I felt like it was too small, and then they sent me a size extra large because I was like, oh, if the medium is too small, maybe the large one, it might be not so good. So I went with an extra large, and it ended up being a little too big, but it's completely fine because I'm going to wear it like a little loose, and it's better if it's loose than if it's tight. If it's too tight, then it's really uncomfortable, and I'm not even going to wear it. It ended up working out perfectly, even though it's a size extra large. But really, you really can tell that it's really that big. The next item that I got, it is a scarf. It's really pretty and soft. And this is the print. I love leopard print, so for me, it was a major plus. And it's really pretty. It's actually pretty big as well. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can style this scarf. And finally, I saved the best for last. I did get this in a size medium, and I'm glad I did because it fits perfectly. And again, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can style this trench coat. I'm going to do a close-up so that you guys can see the quality of the trench coat. Trench coats never go out of style. One thing that Diego did mention right now when he saw the trench coat, he's like, Mom, if you wear that, you're gonna look like a detective. I thought it was pretty funny. And honestly, you guys, like I said, trench coats never go out of style. It's an investment piece, and I believe that every woman should have a trench coat. Whether if it's this classic color, because that's what I think. When I think trench coats, I think khaki or camel. This color. I don't think black or blue or nothing like that. But although I have had blue trench coats before in the past, and I used them, they're really pretty. Black ones, I feel like they're a little bit more formal. This is kind of, it's formal, but it's also casual. And it goes with everything, if you ask me. I will have all their information in the description box if you guys are interested in checking their website. They have a lot of cute stuff. It's not only what I showed you on this video. They have dresses. They have, oh, they also have some like, I want to say trench coats that are velvety, which I fell in love with them. I was like, oh my god, they're so pretty. But I was only able to pick one. So that's the reason why I decided to go with the trench coat, because I feel like the trench coat you can get more uses out of instead of that other style that I was going for, that it was more velvety. Not a lot of people seem to like that kind of style. So I wanted to choose a classic instead of something more stylish or more, I want to say, bold. I'm going to list all their social media in the description box as well. Their Instagram and their Facebook, so that you guys can check them out. And also their website. I'm going to show you the pamphlet that it comes in the box. And as you can see, everything is really sophisticated, minimalistic. And I just love it. You know, sometimes less is more. I learned that when I did that challenge. One of the people that was in the room said, you know, Leslie, less is more. And I'm like, you know what? Sometimes. Not all the time, though. But for this case, I want to say that yes, it is. I can agree with that. Items for this try-on haul, I wanted to make sure that it was staple pieces that were going to go well with anything and everyone and every body type, and just classics. This represents my personality, you guys. That's why I decided to pick it. It's fun, it's out there, and the print is really pretty, and also the material is super soft. And from my understanding, silk has a lot of benefits. It's anti-bacterial, and also, let me double check. I want to make sure I'm giving you guys the real facts. It tells you that it's 100% grade AC, mulberry silk. They do give you a 45 days warranty. If you don't like what you bought, you can always return it, which that is pretty cool in my opinion. And also, ladies, remember, it is about quality, not quantity, and that's something that I learned. I'm working on that in my wardrobe. I want to have quality pieces, not quantity. So keep that in mind whenever you are shopping for something like a trench coat or a black little dress. Just always try to look for quality. I hope you guys enjoy this mini fashion haul.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. Caught up in the flashing light, keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
comments down below. What do you think about the outfits that I created? Which one was your favorite? And also, I'll have everything listed in the description box if you guys are interested in checking out the pieces that I used for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one.